one place. The stickers are vivid and clear images. The stickers themselves look amazing. So in another little pack, we've got just individual big stickers. And then we've got the sheets of stickers. And so here, this one has the cute little sayings like, well done, fry your best, you're one in a melon. And so they're just super cute little sayings. This is a great gift for teachers, or if you're a teacher yourself, buying it to have it in the classroom this year as the school year is getting ready to start back. And so we've got 2 different sets. And so there are plenty. If you're in the market for looking for stickers, definitely check these out. And don't forget, it has the resealable package that helps keep all of the stickers organized. So I hope you found the review helpful.